She's a queen of the city, but she don't believe the hype. She's got her own elevation, holy motivation. So I wrote some letters on big goals. I got faith in you, baby. I got faith in you now. And you've been such a good friend to me. Know that I love you so high. I'll play you, hallelujah. I got faith. I think about you morning, noon, night and day.